Look who's back, everybody.
Thrasher Ken.
Thrasher Kennedy. Kennedy's got a Thrasher hoodie on. She's got a skateboarding event to go to later.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go grab some food at good old Bangkok, where we eat 9 times out of 10. If we're not there, we're at Cane's.
More roses.
Oh man, roses. But I saw this picture come up this morning on my Instagram. Oh my gosh, she always has to open the sunroof. She thinks it's like the coolest thing ever.
No, I mean, what's the point of having a sunroof if you're not going to use it? Like, I always use mine in my Fiat.
Well, you don't have one now, so this is technically a Fiat because Fiat owns Chrysler,
exactly,
Dodge, Jeep, all that shit. Anyways, picture camp this morning on my Instagram feed, which I thought was really crazy, and you'll obviously see it as the thumbnail for this video. A Demon Jeep Grand Cherokee. So, you know, the Trackhawk wasn't enough, and so someone had to go and Photoshop a Demon front end. Obviously, this would probably... I just spit everywhere. Obviously, this would never happen. A Demon Jeep. That would be unreal. First of all, it took them a while, not a while, but it took them some time to figure out how the all-wheel drive would hold up to the Hellcat power. And they obviously got that figured out and finally released the Trackhawk after a couple of years. But could you imagine the power of the Demon, the 840 crank horsepower, going through an all-wheel drive transfer case? That's a lot of power for an all-wheel drive car. So no one knows the limits yet of the Trackhawk because no one's really fixed them up yet. So it'd be interesting to see where that goes. But yeah, for them to add and then to do it with a Demon though, that would be crazy. So it'd be 840 horsepower all-wheel drive. Obviously this is just someone messing around on Photoshop, but if you see the thumbnail, and I'll put the picture up here again, but I think it's really cool. It actually looks cool with the Challenger front end. Did you see it? Mm-hmm. It has the Challenger headlights, the Demon hood, and then it still has the wide fenders like the Trackhawk does, which is freaking awesome. So let me know what you guys think below. Comment, like, subscribe, as always.
Follow Kennedy McCall.
Follow Kennedy
McCall
on Instagram. It's Kennedy_McCall, right?
No, it's just Kennedy McCall.
Yeah, it's just Kennedy McCall. I don't know. I unfollowed her last night, so she thought it'd be funny to unfollow me, so I unfollowed her. But she followed back, and I still unfollowed back. So that's what you get.
I don't need your likes.
So this is just a short video. I thought it'd be really cool to show you guys. Let me know your guys' thoughts. If you think Jeep would actually ever do this. I don't think they personally would. I think they would make a Charger Demon before they did that. And everyone doesn't even Kevin, he thinks they won't ever make a Charger Demon, but it's possible. But then for them to make a Jeep Demon, that would be insane. Dodge is out of control. They're crazy. But it wasn't even a Dodge person, it was just someone messing around on Photoshop. But the Photoshop was really well done. So you'll see it on the thumbnail, and then you'll see it up here also. And you'll probably see it on Instagram, because I guarantee it's going to be everywhere today.
I'm sure you'll post it everywhere.
I'm gonna post it. But as always, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. Follow the Kennedy McCall Thrasher skateboarder / model / the real 806. We'll see you guys on the next one.